most attractive thing in each other's personality?
I think, shit, yaar, like, I always used to feel that Namita has such a nice personality. Now,
We're analyzing each other like this is a core analysis of each other.
yeah, like Namita ki personality I used to like, wow, she's got a good personality. Now you're asking what is it in her personality? Oh my god, I don't know.
Legs.
I'm talking about you.
No,
Your
I was
legs.
telling you, but
The thing that is attractive, what? You're fond of?
no, attractive with each other's personality.
You want to say about me? No, I'll say it first then. No, फिर मैं फंस जाता हूँ. Let me say. The same things that I described Namita for, I think that what goes for her personality. That the kind of smoothness, the kind of flow she has in her conversations with everyone, the kind of
That's a very developed skill. I didn't have it in me.
no, and that shows the kind of
That has gone into it.
yeah, that shows. It shows that you've acquired it. It's not natural, but now it's seamless, so it flows, which is very good.
My God! Wow, we are doing each other's
Yeah,
each other's
dissection.
right now. Like,
Yeah. So yeah, and I think that's a wonderful part in her personality,
still
and the way she
attractive.
carries herself and the way she projects herself. What is it? The projection. What was it? Sell point. क्या था वो? एक बारी तुम लोग बात कर रहे थे ना? Sell thing. Pitch.
My pitch.
Yeah. So her pitch is really good. She's really good with her pitch, like how she pitches herself to people.
everyone.
To people.
What?
खरीद लो मुझे.
Khareed
बिकाऊ हूँ मैं.
His attractive thing in the what was the question? What was the question? What is the most attractive? Yeah, I forgot the question only. So I think physical attribute.
I don't know, like anything in my personality.
Don't get conscious, yeah. I think I think the way he is as a person, the way he carries himself. I don't know. There's a special. He's very guarded. I don't think he gives away a lot of his personality to people. A lot of it is just. I don't know. There's something which is there which you will never know. I feel that mystery is a good part of his personality, which I think will be always a part of your personality. I don't know if
wish
it's a
I can
good
maintain that.
mystery and all. Yeah, he's mysterious. What most goofed up thing that you both have done together? On set, it used to be like goof ups all the time.
Yeah, why is it that ऐसा कोई question आता है, I go in a vacuum that, oh my god, there is something which I can't recall.
Let's think together. Goof up
Already we
thing.
have taken so much time.
For example, that kiss scene that happened was a goof
No.
up. Goof up when.
Huh?
Don't do it, Priyansh. I'm killing you. I'll kill you. I'll disown you. I'll disown you right now.
There's a wonderful expression that I have saved in my heart, in my
Which
memory.
is giving away all.
No, I'm not going to give it
Okay,
anymore.
most goofed up
But
thing
I'll
that you
cherish
both have
forever.
done? Most goofed up thing that we've done together is, I think, initially in our workshops, trying to be too eager, trying to know it all. Beaver. We've done
Something must have happened on set which we must have laughed at.
See, there was one scene that we were doing, I remember, when I kept laughing at his face. I kept laughing at your face. That was the scene where Aman comes and we are having that thing together. And he says, "Ab Meera ji kapde badal lijiye." And at this point, I used to just laugh. And I just couldn't stop laughing. And it became so annoying to others that I had to run in a corner with him. And he had to be like, "Please, Namita, don't laugh now." And I'm like, I have to finish this line. I have to go home. There's so many of these
I'm
moments.
so lost because I'm trying to recall that there's something which we must have done together which was really funny, which I can't recall.
The birthday sequence also we were doing.
I don't know.
Are you interested in acting or other aspects of films as well, like direction or writing? I don't think I can venture into something till that time I do one thing correct, that is acting.
See, that's what I'm saying. She's so critical. Even, I think it's good, but to a point where you just you forget to know your strengths, it's bad. Yeah. And
But
I think...
I don't think I'll be going into direction or writing
And-
anytime soon.
Yeah, I think direction and writing, like, it's... I think any art form in itself is so difficult, yeah, and it's so layered, it's so elaborate that
You can't
you
just
need
attempt
a special craft, you need a special blessing for that, yeah. So as actors, I can say, I can say it for her as well, कि direction जो है ना, वो was hats off to all the directors of this world, irrespective of any kind of level they are at. A director is, it's an unbelievable task that they do. Trust me. So a lot of respect, hats off to even the bad directors. It's very difficult.
to become a director.
It's a task. So I don't know like how we'll achieve that, if that has to happen, I don't know. But an artist is an artist, so a director is an actor is a director somewhere. But how do you put those frames together? How do you tell a story is an art? So I don't know how fit we would be as directors or writers. I can't write for my life. I'm very bad at it. I can't even write my diaries for that matter. And I don't know. So yeah, I think I'll just wait for the time to unfold things for me. As simple as that.
Yeah. Answer this.